Check out this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.